सर जो पार्टी पोजीशन है वो ये है कि and this is given at page 194.
You just add these up.
Sorry.
The numbers you've given, we'll just add them up, right?
Yes. Okay. मैंने जिस तरह बताया कि there is this contradiction as to one of the seats. अगर आप देखिए
एक सेकंड
जी
वो आ जाए सिकंदर साहब, let's finish this contradiction.
Yes.
Is it 22 seats or is it 23 seats? Do you have the answer to that one? Where is Mr. Sikandar Mohammed? चले गए? कम से कम at least we let's finish or anybody can help on this side.
ईसीटी के डायरेक्टर लीगल थे ना?
चले वो नहीं है, उनको जगह नहीं मिली बैठने की। चलिए आप आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Notification.
Mr. Mohammed,
dated.
Are they 22 or 23 seats? They're saying you have issued two different notifications.
My lord, I beg your pardon. I'm just getting a fix on it. Our position is it's 23. I'm just trying to understand that, and I'll clarify it, sir.
Okay, fine.
They are all
23.
ECP says
And the provincial ones are how many? Is there dispute on that or there's no dispute?
No, there's no.
अच्छा,
I
okay,
think that's
ठीक
the
है।
same number.
ठीक है, fine, you let us know।
Sir, what I'm preparing quickly is
बता दीजिएगा मैं।
एक सफे पे ये breakdown आपको।
ठीक है, हमने note कर लिया, but clarify this issue।
The difference comes in when they've issued the notification for suspension. It contains 22.
They got it.
The original
We'll clarify it.
notifications contains 23.
Nothing much will turn on it.
Yes.
ठीक।
If as to the breakdown of seats in the National Assembly, page 194 अगर आप देख लीजिएगा kindly.
ये तमाम जनरल सीट्स
जी
जो कि जिस पार्टी ने जीती है।
जी 194 मैं अगर आपको बता दूं मेन पार्टीज अगर आपके सामने है 194।
Does these include these seats or no?
Include करती हैं।
यस इंक्लूड करती हैं, ग्रैंड टोटल भी दिया हुआ है एंड में, मैं उस पे भी आता हूँ।
आप सिर्फ वो बता दें जो ओरिजिनली जनरल सीट्स।
जी 194 अगर आप देख लीजिए
जो सिक्योर की
जी मैं 190 सर
ये कौमी असेंबली का बता रहे हैं।
जी कौमी असेंबली 194 83 PMLN 52 PPP Sunni Ittihad Council. This is important because we are recognized as a parliamentary party. Muttahida Qawmi Movement 17, JUI Pakistan 6, Pakistan Muslim League 4, इस्तकाम
ये कौन सी मुस्लिम लीग है?
काफ लीग है।
सर ये काफ लीग है।
अच्छा तो क्यों आप लिखे हैं?
जी
ओके
सर वो ये जिस तरह इलेक्शन कमीशन ने
अच्छा ओके
जी हाँ इस्तकाम पाकिस्तान पार्टी 3, मजलिस वहदत मुस्लिमीन 1 and then there is the Zia group, then everyone else has 1. And then as my learned attorney general pointed out, independents are 7. Then there is this breakdown अगर आप देख सकते हैं नेशनल असेंबली में ये रिजर्व सीट्स का भी गिवन है and then there is a grand total at the end. This contains all reserve seats, disputed and undisputed of National Assembly. इसलिए आप अगर नीचे टोटल देखेंगे तो नॉन मुस्लिम्स 9 दिखाई हुई हैं, वो 58 दिखाया हुआ है, which is in terms of Article 51, 60 and वो. So this is the grand total. If I may come to the Provincial Assembly.
ये जो आपने 194 पेज पे फैसल साहब
जी
194 पेज पे जो आपने चार्ट लगाया
जी
आपने खुद बनाया या किसी?
No, this is notified by the Election Commission.
So they have notified the Sunni Ittihad Council as a political party.
Yes, as a parliamentary
Against
party.
that, they show 82 seats,
Yes,
not independents.
no.
So the Election Commission itself does not acknowledge them to be independents.
Yes, my lord. They acknowledge them as a part of Sunni Ittihad Council who had legitimately joined the Sunni Ittihad Council within 3 days under Article 51, which I will show to you.
ये तो मेरे ख्याल में